Hello there, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks. And this is the Tech Travel Geeks' first unboxing and series of videos on the Honor Magic5 Lite. Honor have very kindly sent us a review device just before there's a bit more of a wider communication about the availability of the product across Europe. So we're going to unbox the device today. Tomorrow we'll do a full setup video where we walk you through my setup experience with the Honor Magic5 Lite. And then over the course of the next few weeks we'll be doing a series of videos about the device, culminating in our usual long-term review. So if you want to see more of these videos, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover smartphones, consumer electronics, gadgets, and pretty much anything we think makes the travel experience better. Right then, let's start off taking the device out of the box. This is obviously the Honor Magic5 Lite. It's fairly simple packaging, but let's see what's inside the box. So there seems to be the device itself. I'll put that down. There is a cardboard sleeve, and there's just a SIM ejector tool here, nothing else. And then there is a cable. This is a USB-A to USB Type-C cable. It's the light orange cable, which is not to be confused with Xiaomi's darker orange cable. That means that it's capable of supporting Honor's fast charging standards, which in most cases are very, very fast. We've already seen this on the Honor 70. We've seen this on the Honor Magic 4 Pro, which supports 66 and 100 watt charging respectively. The Honor Magic5 Lite supports 40 watt wired charging. So, by the looks of things, this is the black version of the Honor Magic5 Lite. I'm going to take the sticker off. We'll leave the not for sale one on the device, just to show off that we have an exclusive review device that's not for sale. But whilst we're looking at that, there's a nice little bit of detailing in that camera module. There's 3 cameras here, and we'll discuss that in a bit more detail in a future video. But overall, this is a very shiny black device, which is unapologetically plastic. But we'll touch on that industrial design in a moment. Let's start at the top. So, at the top of the device, we have an infrared blaster. This is useful when traveling. If, for example, you don't want to touch the grubby remote control that comes in your hotel room, you can use your smartphone to control most set-top boxes and TVs. On the right-hand side of the device, there's 2 buttons, or more precisely, there's a power button and a volume rocker, which is volume up and volume down. There's nothing else on the side. And as you can see, if you're looking at the fancy top-down video that our chief aperture Lucas has set up in my living room, the device screen and the back curve into the side. This is an industrial design that we've seen before on Honor devices, and which is very welcome in the Honor Magic5 Lite. Anyway, let's go back to the bottom. At the bottom here we have a SIM tray, which you can use that SIM ejector tool that was in the cardboard sleeve to eject. That does support 2 SIM cards. There's a microphone hole, USB Type-C for data and charging, and that microphone grill at the bottom. On the left-hand side, there's nothing. It's just a sleek side. It's actually very, very slim because both the screen and the back of the phone curve into it. And from an industrial design standpoint, that's pretty straightforward. I like the Honor industrial design language, the curviness of the screen and the backs. It makes a larger phone feel much more handleable. Now, we'll just very quickly turn on the screen to this device and just show you that display, because apparently the display is one of the highlights of the device. So you see it's an Honor smartphone, powered by Android. Now, this display is 6.67 inches, almost 6.7 inches, so it is a big display. And it is a full HD plus display. That means that it's 1080 pixels by 2400. The key thing about this display is that it is an OLED display. That means that it is the same technology used in most flagship phones. Even the latest iPhones have OLED displays. It has a notch in the middle at the top, and it is, by my first impressions as I'm seeing it here, a very, very nice display. but we'll put it through in its full paces in our long-term review. First impressions, industrial design holding it are very, very positive. For a device which is under £300 sterling, reportedly, that is a very nice design of smartphone. But as far as the unboxing goes, it was pretty simple. Depending on the market you're in, you may get more or less in the packaging. There's obviously space here for at least a charger, but in some markets that's no longer something most smartphone companies do. There is also obviously space in the sleeve for a case and extra documentation. I'm putting the lack of any extra detailing here to the fact that this is an early review sample and not for sale. But do check the links in the description to where we'll link to the Honor website, to where you can purchase this device on Amazon UK. That's affiliate links, so you'll be supporting Tech Travel Geeks. And on those pages, you'll find the details of what's actually in the box in the region you might be purchasing this in. But anyway, this was a quick walkthrough of the hardware and unboxing of the Honor Magic5 Lite. We'll be back tomorrow with the full setup video, where I'll go through setting up the Honor Magic5 Lite for my next travels, which actually start tomorrow, so I'll be using this device whilst in Italy. Anyway, for now, thanks for watching. If you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks, and we'll speak to you soon.